Hello everyone and good morning my students. Today we are going to learn Surya Namaskar. And Surya Namaskar is not only asana, it is a cardiovascular workout, stretching, mixture of isotonic and isometric exercises, flexibility exercise, king of yoga poses, and you can say it a full holistic fitness workout. It is also a prayer and immensely positive effect on our body and mind. It is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses and 7 different poses, and each pose or posture asana itself. There are so many variation of Surya Namaskara, kind of a power yoga also. But if you want to make variation from Surya Namaskar, you want to create Surya Namaskar variation, you can increase or reduce the range of motion, the position, posture, and speed. But in this, somewhere we are forgetting the basic actual Surya Namaskara. I want to tell you a story. When I was a kid, I used to do Surya Namaskara minimum 13 times at a school. And it was not difficult for me to do it 13 times. The difficult thing was it has 13 mantra in a sequence. So if you are doing Surya Namaskara second time, so you have to say the second mantra on pranam position. Here, close your eyes, say the mantra, and then you have to perform the Surya Namaskar. And it was difficult for me to do physical activity, Surya Namaskara, with remembering sequence wise these mantras. So you can do like this, that in a pranam position you can say the mantra and then you can start the Surya Namaskara, but sequence wise you have to say the mantra. The second thing is, before performing any step of Surya Namaskara, it has 13 mantra, so you can use 12 mantras sequentially. So if you are performing first, say the first mantra, on second position say the second mantra. And the one more thing, if you are not able to remember the mantras, you can add any prayer. Okay? And the another thing is, Surya Namaskara has 12 steps, but some are only doing it in a 10 steps. They are skipping this pranamasana. That they used to say that if we are not stretching ourselves, so what is the benefit of this pranamasana? I'll show you that. Join your hand parallelly to your chest and remember that we have a Surya chakra here, a little hole, a circle. So please place your thumb between this Surya chakra and then stand and close your eyes. Feel the silence. It is about your devotion, your faith, your belief. It will improve your concentration. It will calm your mind. It will relax your body. Okay. If you are new, do the comfortable asana of Surya Namaskar first. Practice all steps and poses asanas of Surya Namaskara separately. If you are comfortable, then only do the Surya Namaskar. If you are ill or injured or have any disease, please avoid Surya Namaskar and remember the precautions. Proper breathing is important in Surya Namaskar, and in a yoga we have Purak Kumbhak and Rechak Kumbhak, two type of Kumbhaks, but for you I want to simplify it, that just remember at the time of extension, inhale, and at the time of flexion, exhale, and at the time of hold, normal breathing. Om Mitraya Namah. I know you are must be missing your school and especially PE period. Stay safe, keep exercising, and come out from this quarantine fitter. Good luck.